Welcome to FK iPhone. Today, we're diving into the Tecno Camon 40 Pro, a smartphone that has been making waves in the tech community. Let's explore its features, design, and overall performance to see what sets it apart. The Tecno Camon 40 Pro boasts a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing a smooth and immersive viewing experience. The screen resolution of 1080 x 2436 pixels ensures sharp and vibrant visuals, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and everyday use. Under the hood, the device is powered by the MediaTek Helio G100 Ultimate processor, paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. This combination delivers efficient performance, allowing users to multitask seamlessly and store ample data without concerns about space. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the camera setup on the Camon 40 Pro. The rear features a dual camera system with a 50MP main sensor and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens. The main camera's large 1.56 sensor and 2.0mm fused pixels enhance light sensitivity, resulting in exceptional image quality in various lighting conditions. The ultra-wide lens is perfect for capturing expansive landscapes or group shots. On the front, a 50MP autofocus camera ensures high-quality selfies and video calls. Design-wise, the Camon 40 Pro exudes elegance with its sleek profile, measuring 164.44 x 74.32 x 7.31 mm. It is available in three captivating colors: Galaxy Black, Emerald Lake Green, and Glacier White. The under-display fingerprint scanner adds a layer of security while maintaining the phone's streamlined aesthetics. Battery life is a strong suit of this device, equipped with a 5200 mAh battery that supports 45W supercharge technology. This ensures prolonged usage and quick recharging times, keeping you connected throughout the day. Additional features include dual speakers with Dolby Atmos support for an enhanced audio experience, NFC capabilities for convenient transactions, and an array of sensors such as a geomagnetic sensor, ambient light sensor, and infrared remote control functionality. In conclusion, the Tecno Camon 40 Pro stands out as a well-rounded smartphone that balances performance, design, and innovative features. Its impressive display, robust camera system, and substantial battery life make it a compelling choice for users seeking a reliable and stylish device.